Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Medusa's makeup box. Medusa's makeup is a monthly subscription. It is vegan and cruelty free, as you can see here on the packaging. My nose is itchy. It is about $22 a month, shipping included. In Canada anyway. I think in the States it's around $16. But for me it was, let's hang on a second, sorry. For me this box was $20 including shipping because I had like a 10 or 20 or 15% off code for my first box. So this is my first time getting it. I just got it today in the mail and I'm so excited. The packaging is super cute. And this is the festival box for June. I think every box is really adorable. I've seen photos of it, and I've been following Medusa's makeup on Instagram for like a while now. Sorry, my nose is really itchy. I have like a hair here or something. But yeah, I've been following them on Instagram for a while now, and their makeup all just looks super cute, and I love that it's cruelty-free and vegan. And I said in my last video that it's about, like, for Ipsy, it's like $10 a month, then you pay for shipping and tax. And then the total for me anyway comes to about $22, which is the same price as this box, and you get full-size products in here. Whereas in Ipsy, you get sample size. So I'm really, really excited to open this baby up. Yeah, let's just get right into it. So, I don't know how to do this so that I can open it up and see. All right. I love the packaging. I think I might, oops, something fell out. I think I might put it up as decoration because it's really pretty. What's this? Save the date. VIP birthday box coming this August. 4 full-size products exclusive to subscribers, including lots of extra goodies. That sounds exciting. So it's got really cute, it's got pink tissue paper. That's really cute. So let's see here. Festival 100% cruelty free and vegan June 2019 box. It's festival season and we encourage you to step out of your comfort zone and try something extra bold. So it shows all the products here, and then the Instagram and everything. First thing I see in the box is this like beer cozy or can cozy. I don't drink beer, but or pop really. I drink Zevias every once in a while, so maybe I would put that on there. Oh, heck, let's open it. That's really cute. I don't know if my water bottle won't fit in there. But that's really cute. Okay, so what's this? That's cute. Just a bunch of products that they have. On to the actual products in here. There's 4 full-size products. So the first thing that I see is the glitter in Jupiter, and it's just like a pink glitter. I already knew what was in this box. I seen spoilers. I got emailed spoilers because I got the box a bit later than other people. I am not very used to using glitter. I've never really played with it, so I'm kind of scared of it. It's messy. Same with like loose pigments, they're kind of scary to me. Just pour a little bit into the cap. I feel like you would need like a primer or like a glitter glue or something. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't think it's really gonna show up on camera. No, not really. But it's really pretty, and I am looking forward to trying that out. I'm excited to have some funky makeup because I don't. I have very just natural makeup. And one of the reasons why I subscribed to this box was because it's vegan and cruelty free, but because they seem to have a lot of like bold, funky colors, like bright stuff and everything. Okay, so the second thing in here is a pair of eyelashes, and these look really nice and really natural. I think I will definitely wear these. I don't wear false eyelashes a whole lot because I just find them uncomfortable, but these are cute. They're really natural looking. It comes with glue as well. Apologize for my nails, they're really gross. I haven't done my nails in a while. Yeah, so those are cute, so I'm looking forward to wearing those. Every time I do a makeup look, I'm always like, I wish I had false eyelashes because I just think they enhance the makeup look, but I just... And also, anytime I do buy false eyelashes, I always put mascara on them. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to do that or not, but like I never know how to clean them. I always just ruin them. So I only get like one wear out of them, and I don't know. I think I have to look more into how to properly care for false eyelashes. So the last two things in here are lip products. So we have a lip gloss, Disco Queen Extra Sparkle Lip Gloss. And it's in the shade Roller Girl. Trying to film this pretty quickly because I work at 5. I want to get something to eat before I go to work. Disco Queen Lip Gloss is a thick, glossy formula with extreme sparkles. I'm not like a huge fan of sparkly lip glosses. I just recently got into lip glosses, but this is really cute. Oh, it is really cute. I feel like I wonder if you could put this on your eyes, like on your eyelids as kind of like maybe like a base for the glitter. That might be interesting. I don't know if you can do that or not. But this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. I really like the color. Again, I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to feel about the sparkles, but let's do a little swatch. It's pretty. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like vanilla cupcake. I feel like it'd be pretty on its own or over like a pink. Let's just put it on my lips. I don't have anything on my lips except for a lip balm right now, so let's just see what this looks like. Whoa! Okay, it just kind of exploded on me. What did I just do there? I don't understand. Like, it just all came out at once. Okay? Why that happened, but... it just got really messy. Oh, what? This popped out. Okay, so just pop that back in. No big deal. It's very like, oof. It actually doesn't look that bad on the lips. I actually like it. I probably would wear it alone. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. That's the swatch. Okay, and the last thing that we have in the box, I just really like this box, I want to keep showing it. The last thing that we have in a box is a lipstick, and the packaging on this is so pretty. I don't want to throw this out. Just look how gorgeous that is. The artwork of this company is beautiful. I love it. Again, I'm sorry for my ratchet looking nails. They're gross. But this is the shade Lydia. I already know what it looks like. I've seen it. But I won't spoil it for you guys. I will just show you. I like the packaging. It's just a nice black with the Medusa's makeup logo on it. Ooh, that looks cool. So yeah, it's in the shade Lydia, and it is a really nice purple. It kind of matches the, well, sort of, it's a little bit darker. Isn't that pretty? Again, not something that I would wear on an everyday basis, but super cute. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. I'm always scared to like have the lipstick up and it's like out of its tube very far because I'm scared that it's gonna break. Seems very moisturizing. That's it right there. That's cute. I like it. Let's take off the lip gloss and I'm just gonna rub it in my shirt because that's just how I live my life. Okay, let's put it on my lips. See what it looks like. Ooh. It's not super opaque, it's kind of sheer. I really like it. I like the way it looks. What do you guys think? Do you like that? Does it look good on me? I like it. I feel like an alien or like a robot or something. I don't know. Let's put the lip gloss on top of this lipstick and see what happens. Please do not explode on me again. Okay, good. You calm down. Ooh, that's kind of pretty too. I don't know if you guys can notice that. It kind of made it a bit more pink and obviously a lot more shiny. Anyway, you guys, yeah, that's what I got in my Medusa's makeup box. I love everything. I think it's all super cute, and I'm really excited about it. And I will probably most definitely be getting the July box as well. And I'm excited for the August box too. I'm not gonna like subscribe to it now to save it. If it's available, I'll get it. But anyway, I really, really like it. I think it's super cute. I think the box is super cute. Everything in it is really cute. The packaging is so cute. I love it all. It is amazing. And for the same price as Ipsy, if you were to choose one, I would go for the Medusa's makeup just because it is all vegan and cruelty free and you get full-size products. Sorry, I was just playing with plastic. I'm sorry, that was kind of annoying. But yeah, you get full-size, four full-size products, and I don't know, I just think that it's better because of it. Ipsy's great because you can try new, like different products, but I really like this, and I love that it's all vegan and cruelty free. And yeah, so I definitely recommend this box to anyone who is looking for a vegan beauty subscription box that isn't too pricey. I really want to try vegan cuts, and I want to try goddess provisions, which isn't like makeup, but anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you want to stay tuned to more videos. Yeah. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Who do you think? Do you like that it's cruelty free? Do you know how cute you are? Is it Navi approved? Yes. It just started to downpour and I just saw some fucker just, that was rude, some guy just run. Oh my god, they're running with their dog. That dog looks like really familiar. It looks like a dog that I've groomed before. Oh my god, there's so much rain. I'm not walking to work today. I don't know. Medusa's makeup, so excited, I'm just being really cringy. I don't like who I am sometimes. I don't know where this energy came from. I was like dead tired 10 minutes ago.